Welcome to my YouTube channel GP English Grammar. This is GP Yadav. Dear students, today in this video let us know about AP State new CBSE syllabus for class 10. We have two textbooks. The title of the textbook is The First Flight textbook in English class 10. The other book is Supplementary Reader Footprints Without Feet, and workbook is Words and Expressions 2. These three books are very interesting. Lessons and poems. Poems are also heart touching, not only for students but also teachers. First, let us see what are the lessons in the textbook for class 10. The First Flight. Unit 1, A Letter to God. Poem, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice. Here we have two poems in the first unit. And the supplementary reader is A Triumph of Surgery. Unit 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Poem, A Tiger in the Zoo. Supplementary reader, The Thief's Story. Unit 3, Two Stories About Flying. How to Tell Wild Animals. The Ball Poem. Supplementary reader, The Midnight Visitor. Unit 4, From the Diary of Anne Frank. Poem, Amanda. Supplementary reader, A Question of Trust. Unit 5, Glimpse of India. Poem, The Trees. Supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet. Unit 6, Midgley the Voter. Poem, Fog. Supplementary reader, The Making of a Scientist. Unit 7, Madam Rides the Bus. Poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Supplementary reader, The Necklace. Unit 8, The Sermon at the Benares. Poem, for Anne Gregory Bowley. Supplementary reader. Unit 9, The Proposal. Here there is no poem. The supplementary reader is The Book That Saved the Earth. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి పక్కనున్నటువంటి బెల్ ఐకాన్ను క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.